If you're looking for an alternative to coleslaw and potato salad, I've got a great side dish that's perfect for tailgating. It's bright and crunchy and delicious. It's made with dill pickles and fresh fennel, dill weed, white onion, a little Dijon mustard. You're going to be so surprised at how delicious and easy it is to make, and it's great on steaks and brats and burgers and dogs and kabobs and fish and all kinds of great food. I'm Jan Diatri, and I love tailgating in my RV, but let's get tailgating in your RV. Start by washing and patting a medium-sized fennel bulb dry. Slice off the fronds, and then thinly slice the fennel bulb and add it to a small mixing bowl. Thinly slice half of a medium white onion and add it to the bowl. Remove all of the spears from a 24-ounce jar of kosher dill pickles. Make sure they're crunchy, not soft. Then add 3 tablespoons of the pickle juice to the mixing bowl. Slice and cube all of the pickle spears in bite-sized pieces and add those to the bowl. Chop 1/4 of a cup or 1 small pack of fresh dill weed and add that to the bowl. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard to the bowl. Then 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and finally, salt and pepper to taste. Stir everything together until well combined. Then just chill the salad in the refrigerator and serve cold as a side dish. It's that easy. So let's talk about the nutrition facts for this crunchy pickle and fennel salad. One batch makes about 6 to 8 servings total. Assuming 6 servings with the ingredients I've used, 1 serving has about 34 calories, less than a gram of total fat, 7 grams of total carbs, 1 gram of protein, and 1,125 milligrams of sodium. After subtracting fiber, there's about 5 net carbs. The next time you're tailgating, give this salad a try for your celebration. I think it's going to really impress the people you party with. And we've got the full typed out recipe in our blog on our website. And as always, let us know what you think in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more great RV recipes just like this.